And gusto ko malaman mo na hindi ko siya ginawa para magkautang na loob ka or gusto ko magpaka-hero sa'yo. Papanood naman mo yung performance mo.
What do you mean? No way. You sacrificed yourself.
Hindi ko siya sacrifice.
What?
Basta.
What did you do? Dami.
Basta mapapanood naman mo yung performance mo.
How?
Hindi pupunta mom ko.
Why?
Kasi matigay ko yung shit sa'yo.
No, don't.
Hindi siya hindi siya sacrifice para sa akin.
Tanggap ko na din. It's okay.
Hindi din naman, yun, hindi siya ganun na ginawa ko yun. Kasi gusto ko nga, I deserve it.
You deserve it too.
I know. Pero, syempre, kaibigan tayo and then yung opportunity presented itself na pwede mong gawin yun para sa kaibigan mo, di ba? Ika-grab mo talaga yun.
That's so nice.
Just be happy.
I know, but you're so kind. You don't suck.
I know, right?
Hindi na kita aawain. Oh, man. You're so kind. Stop crying. Stop crying. I'll give you my seat na nga. I'll give it back to you. Don't cry.
Tagal ko talagang pinag-isipan to, promise, kung alam mo lang.
Brent, you're so kind. Alam mo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Ayun.
Sobrang saya ko. Alam mo ba?
Bambi, here we go.